Perched on the northeast slope of Portland's West Hills, Royal 2 stands as a striking architectural achievement that harmonizes modern design with the rugged beauty of one of the nation's largest urban reserves. Developed by Kaven Architecture as part of a vision to create a collection of homes linked by a shared material language, the residence is situated just minutes from downtown yet feels worlds away. It utilizes a simple but powerful palette of dark steel, concrete, glass, and custom bronze black cladding to establish a bold aesthetic that respects and reflects its wild surroundings. The architecture of Royal 2 is defined by how masterfully it responds to the dramatic, sloping terrain of Forest Park. Embracing the natural fall of the land, the multi-level design employs dramatic cantilevers and balconies that project out into the trees, crafting an extraordinary sensation of midair suspension. The journey through the home is highly intentional, beginning at the top with an entry sequence designed to help occupants shed the stresses of the outside world. From the moment of arrival, expansive glazing frames lush views, while central staircase and light well draw natural illumination deep into the lower floors, where bright, airy interiors offer a beautiful counterpoint to the dark exterior. During its early construction phase, the home found its perfect inhabitants, a renowned chef and best-selling food writer and her family, who were seeking a private, uncultivated sanctuary to embrace a quieter lifestyle. This acquisition sparked a collaborative redesign that repositioned the kitchen as the heart of the home's main living area. Tailored to the homeowner's culinary passions, the layout features an open floor plan that effortlessly connects the cooking space to the social energy of the living room and an adjacent tree-fronted balcony, making it an idyllic setting for hosting guests or enjoying quiet family moments. Beyond the main living spaces, Royal 2 constantly encourages interaction with the natural world through features like a light-filled observatory and a verdant rooftop garden that draw the eye outward into the dense forest canopy. The home is deeply inseparable from its geographic context, serving as a peaceful vantage point to witness ever-changing vistas and local wildlife, from Douglas fir and alder trees to deer, owls, and cougars. Ultimately, the thoughtful composition of Royal 2 succeeds in creating a harmonious balance between human habitation and the raw environment, delivering a deeply reposeful home nestled within the woods.